Morning, East Texas. Outside, I have some good news for you. No rain, no storms to worry about on your morning commute. So let's take a break and just enjoy the quiet before the storm. Lots of cloud cover moving in, though, across the area. Now, our next storm system, you see this big swirl up here? Look at the blizzard conditions from Denver down towards Albuquerque. That's our area of low pressure. Here's the beginning signs of our storms forming. It's a thin line now as it's still early in the morning, but between San Angelo and Dallas, we're starting to see the first signs of activity beginning to break out. This will grow in intensity and move our way later on this afternoon because there's your big area of low pressure that continues to deepen and will be moving off towards the east, and it will drag that energy our way to help produce those storms across the area. So let's take you hour by hour through your Friday forecast. I want to track these storms as they move into your neighborhood so you know when to plan for the potential of stormy weather. Again, this morning, no problems expected, just some clouds, maybe some sprinkles out there this morning. And then by midday or so, we could see a few showers entering into the northwestern half of the area, but I still think most of us will be dry around lunchtime. As we head towards 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, there's our line of storms beginning to develop from Sulphur Springs towards Athens and over just to the west of Anderson County. By 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, the brunt of the storms begin to make their way through the heart of the area from Mount Pleasant down towards Gilmer, Tyler, over towards Palestine and Anderson County, and then maybe get its way towards Alto, over towards Rusk, and up towards Longview, maybe even the Atlanta area around 6, 7, 8 o'clock. And then making its way through St. Augustine, Nacogdoches, and Lufkin there between about 8 and 9 o'clock. And then by midnight, it's all out of here. That sets us up for a fairly nice start Saturday morning with temperatures, oh yeah, nice and in the 50s. And then we climb only in the 70s for your high on Saturday afternoon with plenty of sunshine. Saturday is going to be a gorgeous day. But again, the severe weather threat from Dallas making its way across East Texas as we go into your Friday here. So again, plan on the line of storms developing and intensifying as they move into East Texas. So as far as the first alert threat tracker goes, again, the tornado threat, because it's a line of storms, looks to be fairly low. The greatest threat will be the strong gusty winds there along that line as it moves through, and also the potential of some large hail. Because the line is moving so quickly, though, I think the flash flooding threat will be fairly low as well. But still, we're talking a ½ inch to an inch of rain pretty much all across the region. We get a break on Saturday, but then this quick moving system off the west coast, it moves our way by Sunday afternoon and evening, and that could provide us with another round of at least isolated to scattered storms, with the brunt of that activity being just to our north and west. But we'll be watching Sunday. But first, let's get through our Friday, right? And then behind that, even a stronger system showing up just south of the Aleutian Islands. This one arrives here in East Texas by the end of next week. So we've got a lot going on in the weather. Hope you've been taking notes. Today, a first alert weather day with that line of storms moving through, especially between 2 and 10 o'clock this afternoon. But it clears out by Saturday before more storms possible by late Sunday.